All right, they're stabilized. They're stabilized off. High rates, low rates. Everything's backwards because I haven't gone through the remote and converted it over. Oh, it's beautiful now. Wow. Well, all of a sudden, it's sunny outside. So I was going to go home, but I'm going to do one more flight. This is the E-Flite UMX timber, the original UMX timber. They've got a nice new sportier, faster one, the turbo, I think. Anyhow, this airplane on floats is an absolute ride, to the point that I leave it on floats and don't even put the wheels on most of the time now and just fly off floats in the grass and everything. Again, haven't floated off water, but it's fun in the snow with the floats. So here we go, UMX timber. So let's put it in some better snow. There we go, nice little piece of snow. Okay, those are my high rates. We'll fly low rates. Those are my flaps. And then this is, all right. Here we go. Quick little flight. Woo. Am I? There we go. Now I'm in manual control. Come back here. Let's lower that power down. It might have armed crooked on top of the car. Oh boy. Yeah, I think I'll bring it in, rearm it, try and bring it home, because that was weird. So I'm having to put in a ton of input. If you could see my remote right now, like full rudder and everything. Okay, let's rearm this thing. Try that again. I got a feeling it set up funny on top of the car when it blew over. All right, reset. Move the remote away. There we go. That's better. That's a lot better. Okay. Now, we're going to run the motor up here. That's over here. Okay, now we have stabilized flight. We'll turn that off. Okay, and then my rates are, now I'm in my full rates. Okay, flaps. Here we go again. Now, let's keep off the safe. Fly with AS3X, but turn off safe, go in low rates, and just fly it, because it turns out the wind. Oh, I'm sorry about the sunlight. I'm not even thinking about that right now. I'm just trying to fly this airplane in the wind. The poor little UMX is like, what are you doing to me? Oh, wow. It's pretty blustery now all of a sudden. It's sunny, but blustery. Okay, so it's not letting me do anything. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, man. I think I might have killed my little UMX. Walk of shame. Walk of shame. Looks like the poor little UMX might have had a really bad day. What am I, 2 for 2 on that post? That's 2 for 2. Wonder what flew off. I saw something go. Oh, I blew a float off. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. Oh, it's just a float. So far, ripped the float completely off the All right, let's find all the parts. Actually, that's not bad. There's the back float. There's the front float. That's not that bad. That's not bad. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Okay, a little CA glue, not CA foam tack. Oh boy. Well, that's the first time I've done that. Oof. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What's that saying? One more flight? Oh my. The poor little UMX timber had an interaction with that famous post above my head. Unfortunately, it's going to need a little foam tack love, I think, this evening, but we'll get it back up in the air in no time. I'm Andre, UMX Timber. Hope you enjoyed whatever that was called. Woo! I helped put the damn flaps up, huh? I love full flaps assisted flight. It's hilarious because you can just glide the thing in.